Anchor.
Hey, everyone, if you can hear me, clap once. If you can hear me, clap twice. Okay. Yes, there is. Okay, so you have to pick your order 1, 2, 3 out of the 3 representatives. Who's gonna go first? Who's gonna go second? Who's gonna go third? So there's no miscommunication. And if any of the representatives are unable to finish their slice, they can tap out and choose someone else from their community to finish their slice. If they are unable to finish the slice from the plate.
Okay, I have faith that this is girls.
Why?
Too much. Hey, why aren't you participating?
One representative from the community at a time.
I already ate too much. I ate boba, muffin, and chicken wing.
Representatives,
At least I won't get
hands
fined
behind
today.
your back. Put both hands behind your back.
I tried the watermelon eating contest at that one time.
Yeah.
I couldn't do it.
Your mouth. You have to finish chewing. Taga.
I got no glasses on.
You were genetically
Who wants to hear what happens if a community wins?
So if you win the pie contest, the community that won will be able to pie their youth pastor.
They choose 5 representatives to pie the youth pastor.
Okay, are the eaters ready? Three, two, one, go!
You have to eat off the floor. You have to eat that. You can't keep hungry. There's dinner after this, bro. I thought he was hungry.
How bad do you want a song?
There's apple left. There's only apple left. Eat, boy, eat.
Someone makes me a turtle. Let's go.
Oh! You got this, dude. You got this.
You're winning.
Looks like Slam might be in the lead, guys. Looks like Go is catching up. You see, first one done.
You got it.
No hands, no hands.
Easy sugar pie.
Hey, go! Make some noise for your representative!
Let's go!
Hey, New York, I can't hear you! I can't hear you! You see, where you at? You see, get through right? Hey, Slim, I can't hear you! Hey, Slim, where's your shoes?
Your mouth has to be empty. You have to finish. You have to finish.
Well, this is
Let's go, go! Let's go, go!
Look at Eugene! Finish chewing and you're done. The anchor? Oh! Go look at him, bro.